Guess who just became one of the largest Ethereum holders? No, not me, not me. That one guy, the hacker from FTX, everything that they were able to get off of FTX, they've been trading into Ethereum. Now they have like 217,000 Ethereum. And we have some questions for the Ethereum community now. Full disclosure, I do hold Ethereum. I've been invested in Ethereum for many years now. But as this project evolves into proof of stake and censorship resistance is proving not to be so much a thing that they care about, my own opinion on Ethereum is changing as well. I'm waiting to see what happens with this hacker and their Ethereum holdings and how the Ethereum blockchain and those who validate the transactions on the blockchain deal with it. And here's what I mean. Dylan LeClaire, again, a solid guy in my opinion to follow on Twitter, brought up this question of what if this hacker now takes his huge stack of Ethereum and starts staking it and is becoming a validator on the Ethereum blockchain? And then what if the US decides to sanction or otherwise want to censor that person's ability to have anything to do with these funds because they were obtained in a deceitful manner by hacking? Will the community actually will they obey the US government and slash the stake of this hacker's amount? Furthermore, will the transactions from this hacker, because you know all the addresses that were involved in the hack have been blacklisted or at least flagged, so they're known. Will this hacker have an issue actually transacting on the Ethereum blockchain? Will the Ethereum blockchain and validators actually go ahead and start censoring transactions without any kind of official or legal announcement from the government officials in the US? Through what happened with Tornado Cash, we've seen a lot of centralized platforms, centralized wallet entities just go ahead and proactively go ahead and start censoring transactions involved with Tornado Cash. Even though there's no legal precedent, there's no court case saying that it was actually a legal thing. It was just something that they announced and it coming from the US. A lot of people are scared of the US and they're just being very, very obedient, proactively obedient, at the sacrifice of censorship resistance. So anyway, if you want to know what it's like to interact with a CBDC, what could be happening on Ethereum and that level of censorship and control over who can and cannot spend their coins, that could be, unfortunately, a very good example of what's happening. Again, I mentioned in the video previously that the Fed, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, MasterCard, and like basically Wall Street and the Federal Reserve are coming together to bring you a CBDC, the digital dollar. It's coming sooner rather than later. They're doing a 12-week trial period. And you know what we're seeing with Ethereum is we're just getting warmed up to the idea of freedom isn't really necessary because it's for your security. It should be sacrificed to keep you safe. But you should not have any expectation of privacy. Privacy is natural, privacy is normal, and you have the right to it to pursue it as best you can because that's your right as a human being. And blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, especially privacy coins, were designed to help facilitate that privacy. Also, speaking of privacy coins, it looks like Europe is trying to roll out regulations to ban privacy coins. Again, it's that story of, okay, cool, they made the law, but how do they enforce it? Through centralized platforms. So definitely looking for more encouragement of decentralization in this space that allows for the freedom of privacy in cryptocurrencies in your daily life. We all deserve it. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up today. Hit like, hit subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.